The executive members of the ruling house to present the next Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land has paid a condolence visit to the late Awujale, Oba Dr. Sikiru Kayode Adetona family. Anthony Gandunu reports that the delegation of the Fusengbuwa ruling house, led by the Olori Dr. Adekunle Hassan of I Foundation, was received by Olori Ijebu Adetona.
The visit by the executive member and family of Fusengbuwa ruling house in Ijebu Ode to Ogbagba Court Igbeba was to commiserate with the family of late Awujale of Ijebu land, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetona, led by Olori Dr. Adekunle Hassan of I Foundation. The delegation also had in attendance Chairman of the Fusengbuwa ruling house, Oba Joshua Osunsami, the Ladeken of Okeako, the Arugbobo of Imoru, Oba Moniruddin Bashorun, Professor Fasi Yusuf, among others. They were received by Olori Ijebu Adetona. Addressing newsmen on behalf of the ruling house shortly after commiserating with the family, Professor Fasi Yusuf said the visit was two in one.
It was a double-edged activity, paying a courtesy call, and also seizing the opportunity to let the media know the true situation. Because when you allow lies to fly about for too long, it becomes what people will perceive as the truth.
Chief Yusuf debunked the rumor on social media about having two Olori in Fusengbuwa ruling house and described the crisis between some members as a storm in the teacup, adding that the ruling house has only Dr. Adekunle Hassan as the only Olori of the family and drumming of the traditional Gbedu drum, which is part of tradition and culture.
Going about beating drum less than 1 week. Less than 3 days. No, he's murdering our tradition.
He also spoke on the process of selecting the incoming Awujale.
Nobody knows. Nobody can tell you. Anybody who tells you that is deceiving you. It's not even in the interest of anybody. We are still mourning. Minimum of 3 months. And the local government will write to the family, please, let's have your candidates.
The Bagbimo of Ijebu land advised media practitioners to always do a proper investigation and get a balanced story to avoid fake news. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandunu, NTA News.